From above, the countryside looks like a living painting. Vast fields, red rooftops, winding roads. Here time flows more slowly, in rhythm with nature. Endless fields stretch in every direction, carpets of green and gold swaying in the breeze. Scattered among them are small farms, smoke rising from chimneys, and horses grazing in open pastures. This is the heart of the countryside, where life grows from the earth. Rivers weave through the fields, bringing life to the land and the villages along their banks. Calm waters reflect the blue sky, swans glide peacefully, and gentle waves kiss the shore. The villages look like they belong in a storybook. Small, colorful houses, narrow paths, blooming gardens. In the local market, neighbors exchange warm greetings, and life moves at a pace untouched by time. As the sun sets, it bathes the land in warm hues. A soft glow embraces the fields, smoke rises from chimneys, and the day gives way to a peaceful night, where only the distant croaking of frogs can be heard. The countryside is a retreat, a place where life is simple and pure. And as we rise above and see it from a bird's-eye view, we realize this is a world where nature and humanity exist in perfect harmony.